Welcome to Amega's How to Start Trading tutorial. To get started, please visit amega.finance and sign into your account. Click on the Add Money and Start Trading button on the top of your home screen. On the next screen, select your preferred method of deposit and click Continue. Next, select the amount you wish to deposit to your main wallet. When you are ready, click Proceed. All you have to do next is fill out the requested information, card, wallet, IBAN, etc., and finish the transaction. Your funds have now been added to your main wallet. To start trading, you need to transfer funds from the main wallet to your trading account. To do that, simply click on Transfer. In the next screen, choose the Transfer Funds from the main wallet to your One account. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and click on Continue. The funds will be added to your One account instantly. With your account funded, you can begin your trading journey and experience all the amazing benefits Amega has to offer.